Okay guys, 2E0XVX here with a little issue with my little QYT. I think it's an 8900D. It's got the four channels you can look at once. I mean, it's absolutely mint condition, and I don't know how this has happened because it's always had one of those little 10 pence piece mini mag mounts connected to the back of it. Anyway, I took the bottom cover, bottom cover, looking at the writing, and the power transistor, the power amp is over there, that chip there. So I'll put it on my microscope and are we ready? A San Andreas fault. So I think it must have got a bit hot somewhere along the line. So I'm going to have to get a new one of those and see if I can source one off the internet and put it back together again, and Humpty Dumpty will be working again. So yeah, the microscope actually is very useful for that sort of thing. Anyway, 7.3, enjoy your day.